In this video, you learn how to apply an image texture to a model in Blender. As you know, most objects in real life are not single color, so today we'll see how to add an actual texture to your object. An image texture is simply an image that gets wrapped around a 3D model, just like a skin in a video game. For example, if you're playing a shooter game and you have a cool skin on your gun, that is exactly what we are doing right now, but on a very simple level. Let's start by selecting the object we want to texture, and we are going to do this once again on a simple default cube. You can use any model, but this will be used in my example. Before we can start adding a texture to the object, it needs a material. So go to your material properties tab, click on new to add your material. If your object already had a material, then you're all set to go. Now let's go into a new menu, which is called shading. This menu right here might look super complicated, but trust me, this is what you want to learn and where you want to do all of your modifications in the future. Because if you do it over here in this menu, it's very basic, but this here, it gives you a lot of different options for customization. So first, let's press Shift A on our keyboard and go to Texture and Image Texture. Now you see there's a new window. Click with the left click on your mouse to apply it so it stays somewhere. You can also move it around if you just click down and drag it. Now this over here is called a node, and this specific node allows us to load an image into Blender. To load an image, click over here on Open and choose an image that you would like to use by clicking on the image in your folder and then Open Image. As you can see, once again, nothing happened. Why? We are currently in the right viewport mode, right? We are viewing the materials, yes. The thing is that we need to go and connect this node over here to this base color. So we grab this color over here and connect it with the base color. And as you can see now, we have actually added the image to the cube. As soon as we connected the node with the base color, this image became part of a material. You might also notice that the texture doesn't always look perfect. This happens because Blender needs instructions on how to place the image onto the model, and those instructions are called UVs. I will cover UVs in a future video, but for now, if you would go up here to UV editing and let's scroll out a bit, you can actually see which part of the image goes to which side of the cube. You can move this around freely and adjust accordingly. What you can also do is, if you're just using a simple cube or a sphere or a cylinder, if you go to layout and you actually go to edit mode by pressing tab on your keyboard and then press U, you can also choose one of these options like cube projection, cylinder projection, or sphere projection. So in that case, it tries to fit the whole image and tries to add it properly to every single side. As you can see, if we go back to UV editing, you can see how it takes one part of the image that it was able to fit within the cube's range and applies it to every single side. Hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.